Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add this custom text to your iPhone's lock screen, and you can add your phone number, you can add your name, or whatever text you want to write on your lock screen. So you can modify it by yourself, right? So how you can do that, I'll show you in this video. First of all, jump to the App Store and search for an app which is of course called Widgetsmith. So make sure you install this app. The size of this app is 118 MB. So just install this app and open this. So after that, this should be by default it should be on all widgets. You have to select on lock screen. Now swipe up and you will see rectangular widgets, right? Click on add rectangular widget, and here you can choose custom text and click on text now. And the text, whatever you want to write, you can mention here whatever you want to say, right? So I would write my name or whatever. So there, I'll hit save. Now jump back to lock screen, and in the lock screen, long press on your lock screen wallpaper, click on lock screen here, and here I will choose this one. I'll delete these, I'll just delete this as well. I'll click on add widget now, and now swipe up all the way down and you will see Widgetsmith. Click on rectangular widget here, choose this, and you will see rectangular widget 1 2 3 4 5. Whatever text you have written, you can choose that, and that's it, you are good to go. So you can create 2 or more widgets in the app so that you can add more, right? Click on custom. Now I'll choose another widget here. I'll select Widgetsmith. I'll add rectangular widget. I'll click on that, and no, I want different one. So there you go. So here I done with this. So this is the simple way. How you can do this. I hope you find this trick helpful. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Peace.